welcome to my channel. As you know, we are currently in Cappadocia, and in my previous video I covered the Red+Green tour, and during that tour we also visited a ceramic pottery workshop in a quiet town of Avanos, a place famous for its ceramic pottery traditions that date back thousands of years. As we entered the workshop, we saw the hand painting process where each ceramic piece is carefully decorated with fine brushes and vibrant natural dyes. Every piece is unique, a true work of art that reflects the heart and heritage of Cappadocia.
My name is Zelve, here with my family workshops. Hi, Ibrahim. Yeah. South Africa. Okay, welcome to Cappadocia. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to give you some brief information about this house.
The shop is filled with beautiful handmade ceramics, colorful plates, vases and bowls, each one painted with incredible detail and patterns inspired by Cappadocia's culture and history.
This is the sun circle. When the sunlight passes right in the middle, principally less, and after that for celebration, for ceremonies, connecting the shoulder and circle of the shoulders.
So if you visit Avanos while visiting Cappadocia, make sure to stop by one of these workshops. It's not just about watching pottery being made, it's also about experiencing a living tradition that's been part of this land for centuries. We also got a chance to watch the master artisans at work, shaping clay on traditional pottery wheels with such precision and patience. And what really special is that the clay they use comes from Uchisar River, which is Turkey's longest river, and it flows right through Avanos and gives the clay its rich red color. By the way, you can also try your hand at the pottery wheel, which of course I did. Since it's our last day here in Cappadocia, so we decided to end our trip with something little adventurous, a sunset ATV ride through the Zelve Valley. And as we get geared up for this adventurous ATV ride, our guide explains all about the route and the details. As we began the ride, the terrain quickly changed. It almost felt like driving through a desert. Open muddy trails, wild bushes and soft golden light falling across the hills. Along the way, we passed by small farms and even spotted a few caves carved into the rocks, making us wonder if people might have lived here centuries ago. Still further, we stopped by some fairy chimneys with doors and carved shells inside, as if they were once homes. If you ever visit Turkey, make sure Cappadocia is on your list. It's an experience you will never forget. As we continue deeper into the valley, the sense of raw nature surrounds us completely. Dusty paths, the sound of the ATV, and the evening breeze carrying a quiet calm. There was also a small local shop selling handmade souvenirs, tiny fairy chimneys and cave models, a perfect reflection of this region's charm. Our last 3 days in Cappadocia have been absolutely unforgettable. From watching hot air balloons at sunrise to exploring the underground city and ending with magical sunset ATV adventure. And now we reach our final stop, the sunset point, and from this high viewpoint, the landscape opens up in every direction. Valleys, canyons, and hundreds of fairy chimneys glowing under the setting sun. It's one of the most beautiful sunsets I have ever seen. The sky painted in shades of orange and pink. We stood here for a while just taking it all in. The silence, the vastness, and the beauty of Cappadocia. While on Red+Green tour, we also stopped at Carpet Workshop around Goreme. And this region is known for its beautiful handmade carpets, and walking inside felt like stepping into a gallery of beautiful colors and patterns. We saw some incredible pieces of carpet artwork, each one telling its own story through design and color. And what amazed me most was watching an artisan working on manual loom, carefully knotting threads and weaving patterns by hand. The process is slow and meditative. A single carpet can take months or even years to complete. It's truly inspiring to see how these traditional crafts of pottery and carpet weaving have been passed down through generations and are still practiced with such devotion today. And now we get ready for the airport to catch our flight to Istanbul. And I'll see you in my next video with a new destination. Till then, have a good one and bye-bye.